शुरुआत, सत्यम वद धर्मम चर जीवन का आधार, तेरे वंदन से करते हैं दिन की शुरुआत, सत्यम वद धर्मम चर जीवन का आधार। ऐ मालिक विनय तुमसे, तुम रहना हरदम साथ, सत्यम वद धर्मम चर जीवन का आधार, सत्यम वद धर्मम चर जीवन का आधार। विद्या के इस मंदिर में सच्चा विद्या धन पाए, दिनकर से भी उज्जवल अपना चरित्र हम बनाए। ऐ मालिक विनय है तुमसे, तुम रहना हरदम साथ, सत्यम वद धर्मम चर जीवन का आधार, सत्यम वद धर्मम चर जीवन का आधार।
Om Shri Sai Ram. On behalf of every single Shri Satya Sai Vidya Vahini volunteer located anywhere in the world, I place our collective pranams at the lotus feet of His divine worship, Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba. Omniscient Lord, respected members of the Shri Satya Sai Central Trust, Shri K. Chakravarti Sir, Shri Ratnakar Ji, respected All India President Shri Nimish Pandya Ji, and the National Bal Vikas Coordinator of Shri Satya Sai Seva Organizations, Srimati Kamla Pandya Ji, dignitaries, and most importantly, members of the Shri Satya Sai Vidya Vahini family. Loving Sai Ram to all of you. Till last year, all possible finish lines were eluding Vidya Vahini, and we were dealing with moving parts within moving parts, all of which needed to be reviewed and revised and at times replaced. We were plagued with confusion and we felt overwhelmed. Under those circumstances, we just placed a heartfelt prayer of Anyatha Sharanam Nasti before our dear Lord, and He bestowed upon us a strong sense of clarity, confidence, and conviction. We took His divine name and a huge leap of faith and decided to forge ahead and just start somewhere. And we picked two synchronous starting points: content completion and classroom implementation. As you may know, the Shri Satya Sai Vidya Vahini program is an online aggregator of the best practices of Sai education. It is Bhagwan's way of extending to all children everywhere the advantage of Sai education. It is aimed at empowering rural teachers so that they can benefit from the ready-made content and teaching aids that experts in the field of education have put together. The goal is to fill the numeracy and literacy gap while also providing a healthy shot of human values. Training is also provided to teachers on how to access and transact our resources available online. This helps to enhance their own knowledge of the subjects they teach, pedagogy, and tech usage. With the lockdown, we took up intense online training of teachers from rural Sai schools with multiple sessions happening on multiple online bridges simultaneously, daily, 7 days a week. This included hand-holding our Sai school teachers across India to cope with the new challenge of online teaching. All our teams are driven by volunteers. Many of them have demanding jobs and home responsibilities. Yet, with Bhagwan's grace, since 2018, most of us have been working long hours, 7 days a week, and these turned into endless and continuous work cycles since April of 2020. The past 7 months have left us breathless, And we thank our dearest Lord for it, because in every moment of our struggles, we found Swami holding our hand, prompting us, guiding us, and energizing us. Despite all the pandemic-related negativity that overwhelmed the universe, we were largely in a state of bliss, fearlessness, and joy, serving Him, discovering His presence at every turn. In December 2018, when we had resolved to serve rural-sized schools that went up to grade 10, we had 27 interested takers. Later, the number grew to 52 and counting. And before we knew it, Sri Sathya Sai Vidya Vahini was attracting national attention. For example, our inputs to include universal human values and Grama Seva in the National Education Policy can be found on page 37.11.8 of the NEP 2020. In March of 2018, an invitation by the Niti Aayog led to a request from the Government of India to pilot Sri Sathya Sai Vidya Vahini program in India's aspirational districts. We recently celebrated the first anniversary of our successful engagement with the Virudhunagar government schools in Tamil Nadu. In May this year, that is in May 2020, the Ministry of Education in New Delhi requested for a few samples of Vidya Vahini lesson plans for independent assessment. After careful scrutiny, the NCERT experts recommended that the Sri Sathya Sai Vidya Vahini content, consisting of over 1,200 master lesson plans, be shared with the nation's teachers through the government's nodal portal, Diksha, which is a digital resource for teachers. A formal MOU or a Memorandum of Understanding has been signed between the NCERT and the Sri Sathya Sai Central Trust in this regard. On the auspicious Avatar Declaration Day, Sri Sathya Sai Vidya Vahini project was formally onboarded onto the Government of India's Diksha portal. Each of our lesson plans are based on the finest of pedagogical methodology, enriched with colorful multimedia to bring alive the concepts, integrated with human values and activity-based learning for kinesthetic learners. Today, the EdTech market in India is booming. Thanks to NEP 2020 and the time crunch experienced by working parents, EdTech business is growing exponentially. In India alone, the EdTech space is a multi-billion-dollar industry catering to the wealthy who want their children to self-learn using tablets that come preloaded with content. With his infinite wisdom and truly unknown to any of us, Bhagwan had been preparing us at Vidya Vahini to disrupt this elitist trend in education by including the rest of India in the India growth story. Rural children are often deprived of basic life necessities, and Bhagwan, out of his compassion and due to his all-inclusive vision and foresight, started Vidya Vahini to cater to the deprived so that no child is left behind in India's digital transformation. Most importantly, Bhagwan placed the EdTech advantage in the hands and control of the teachers, because true to the Vedic dictum, Acharya Devo Bhava, Bhagwan confirmed that a guide, a mentor or a teacher is necessary for every child to learn successfully with or without tech. Today, Vidya Vahini is the confluence of eternal values, cutting-edge technology, and the finest of pedagogy. And Sri Sathya Sai Vidya Vahini shatters the class ceiling between the haves and the have-nots, thereby democratizing the access to EdTech space with an added advantage, namely human values integration. This is truly an enormous investment in the mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual well-being of future citizens of Bharat. Clearly, no one in the history of humanity has invested so deeply, so strategically, and so lovingly towards human capital as the incarnation of love, our most beloved Bhagwan Sri Sathya Sai Baba. We bow to him in awe, in reverence, and with enormous gratitude for including us in his story. I now hand you over to my colleagues who are all scattered around the globe. As each team presents, please bear in mind that behind each impersonal statistic is hours and hours of intense hard work that my colleagues have put in towards this collaborative effort. Sri Sathya Sai Vidya Vahini is truly a labor of intense love and commitment. It is our sadhana to self-transform through selfless service, and we remain so grateful to Bhagwan for this opportunity. We will give you a quick walkthrough of our engagement at national level, and we will also hear from our trustees and the All India President. Thank you and Sai Ram.
Om Shri Sai Ram, offering myself at the divine lotus feet of Bhagwan. I am here to present the content status report representing the entire content team of Sri Satya Sai Vidyavahini. Swami, we are ever grateful to you for guiding us and helping us reach this milestone today. Dedicating at your lotus feet, dearest Swami, Sri Satya Sai Vidyavahini is undoubtedly the most comprehensive and effective framework in the education arena. Value integrated offerings across all domains of learning as a holistic package of content, training and teaching aids are provided to supported schools. The 7-asset methodology enables the achievement of teaching objectives and attainment of learning outcomes. From June 2018 onwards, the focus is on completing classroom content. The three main offerings of the classroom domain are master lesson plans with multimedia aids, Spandana, the activity-based learning package that provides Teacher's Handbook teaching aids and activity kits, Sameep, the art and craft offering that provides Teacher's Handbook and Students' Workbook. The team currently works on creating and curating master lesson plans and multimedia aids for classes 1 to 9 in the subjects English Grammar, Environmental Studies, Mathematics, Science and Social Science. Spandana is for classes 3 to 8 in the subjects English Grammar, Environmental Studies, Mathematics, Science and Social Science. Sameep is for classes 1 to 8 and covers human value integrated creative activities. Syllabus specific master lesson plans and multimedia aids is provided for boards CBSE, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Odisha and Gujarat. Spandana covers class-specific concepts that are prescribed by the National Curriculum Framework. Sameep covers age-specific skills prescribed by NCF. Between June 2018 and October 2020, 1,249 master lesson plans and multimedia aids have been compiled across boards. This totals to digital assets of around 9,795. Spandana offers 90 activity lesson plans and aids, Sameep 288 art and craft lesson plans and aids. Statistics of curation and creation between June 2018 to date: CBSE 383, Karnataka 239, Andhra Pradesh 218, Tamil Nadu 214, Odisha 162, Gujarat 33. Content curation work for Maharashtra board has commenced. Subject-wise statistics: Mathematics 414 master lesson plans, Science 326, Environmental Studies 291, Social Studies 105, English Grammar 113 assets are available on our portal. All this is the hard work and dedicated efforts of the content team. The content team presently comprises of 11 subject coordinators, 45 authors, 24 subject matter experts and reviewers, 7 from the value content team, 29 multimedia experts and reviewers, 54 multimedia volunteers. We started the focus work on classroom content with 40 volunteers in 2018, grew to 92 volunteers in 2019, and today, with the immense grace of Bhagwan, we are 170 volunteers. Every volunteer is trained and mentored before they start their Seva journey. SSSVV has a structured and standardized content curation and creation process. Tried and tested guidelines, checklists, and rubrics are followed to fulfill the quality content framework, hence delivering quality content.
We would now like to present to you few samples that are exemplary teaching aids and drive home difficult concepts in a truly insightful, inspiring, enjoyable and participative way. We will now have few of our senior subject matter experts sharing their thoughts.
Sai Ram, very happy and feel blessed to be part of the content team. Very much attracted by the guiding principles of Sri Sathya Sai Vidya Vahini, that is to make human values infused with secular information available, free to teachers and students. So registered in the portal and start creating content for mathematics. Swami is the indweller, creating the content. Though retired from school, Swami made me fully engage with the teaching and creating content for mathematics. He has prepared me throughout my career for his pet project, Sri Sathya Sai Vidya Vahini. Then no turning back. I don't know how I get the energy and enthusiasm throughout the day and night till I complete my work. That is the power of love, power of sacrifice. In the end, only bliss remains. Thank you, Swami, for keeping me with you always. Jai Sai Ram.
In the very first Vidya Vahini workshop held in October 2010, Swami asked us to focus on rural children and prepare quality content which was simple, enjoyable, and enriched with examples. I keep these guidelines in mind while preparing content. Swami expects perfection in every task that is undertaken in his name. As such, I meticulously research and prepare every history topic that's assigned to me, no matter how long it takes. I invoke his presence whenever I sit to work, and I seek divine guidance when I'm stuck. I consider my work as my worship, my spiritual sadhana. I truly believe that I am blessed to be part of the Vidya Vahini project. Jai Sai Ram.
Sai Ram. Considering that the Vidya Vahini content is made available to schools as Swami's Prasadam, no compromises on quality can be allowed. Extra care and work is put into making the content detailed, informative, and age appropriate. Of course, I have worked hard for long hours in my teaching career. Now, even after retirement, I am able to spend long hours and work hard to complete the content is only because Swami is my driving force. I often start my work with the Sai Ram and talk to Swami in my mind while working. I often believe that doing any work with full focus and involvement makes it a spiritual sadhana. I am grateful to Swami for giving me an opportunity to work in his mission.
Saira, creating content for English grammar has been a very satisfying and rewarding experience for me. Vidyavahini has provided a platform to combine my experience of teaching for over 20 years with Vidyavahini teaching methodology, using the 7 assets to make teaching and learning an enjoyable experience, both for the teachers and the students. I am unable to find words to express the satisfaction I am experiencing in being part of Vidyavahini. Thank you, Swami.
Saira, I joined Vidyavahini as a content generator in 2012, and from then onwards, it has become a part of my daily routine. I personally believe that if we follow the 5 Ds which Swami has given to us, then he takes care of the rest. It is Swami and Swami alone who works through us and makes sure that the content is delivered on time. What fascinates me about Vidyavahini is the quantum and the quality of the content that gets generated by the combined efforts of so many experts is just incredible. In today's world, such a high quality, value integrated content reaching millions of children across the country free of cost is in itself a miracle. Working for Vidyavahini, I have learned many new things and it makes me a better person day by day. Thank you.
Sairam, and congratulations to Team Sri Sathya Sai Vidyavahini. I am working as a language reviewer with Vidyavahini. I had once asked Swami to make me his instrument in being able to contribute a tiny droplet into the ocean of goodness being created here. I see that request being granted. While working, I strive for perfection because whatever has to be offered to the Lord should be nothing less than perfect. Only the Lord is perfect, none of us is, but at the same time, we can strive for perfection. Working with Vidyavahini has improved my work ethic, enriched my persona, and has helped me to evolve as a person too. Swami would say, "Your life is my message," so I try to make my work and myself the best version of what can be. Thank you so much for the honor. Sairam.
Sairam, Swami's vision of education was to include human values in the educational system. He always felt that there is a gap in the academic education in this regard in schools. We at Vidyavahini are proud to say that we have one full asset dedicated to value content in its lesson plans. These value contents are integrated in the lesson itself so that the teacher can transact the value as and when he or she teaches the lesson in the classroom. Other than classroom, this value integration is done across the other domains such as corridor, campus and communities as well. Thank you. Jai Sairam.
Om Shri Sairam. Swami, I thank you on behalf of the entire training team for giving us this opportunity to do Guru Seva. Swami, we have always prayed for help to reach out to more and more teachers. This year, as schools took their classes online, the teachers faced a big challenge and they needed our support. Swami, we thank you for giving us this online platform to reach out to the teachers and provide them with virtual training. However, we were not ready. We were used to going to the schools to train the teachers. We had to standardize the training packages and redesign them for the online platform so that even if the classes are online, the teachers find our training sessions lively and interactive. The Train the Trainer package and the teacher training package are now both standardized. However, the trainers were being stretched thin. Our team needed to grow really fast. So, Train the Trainer programs were conducted and more new trainers are now joining and expanding our ever-growing training team. The teachers could not just take a week's training and go online and start teaching. The teachers struggled and overcame many challenges. Schools supported them, their families supported them. Our heartfelt thanks to the schools and the families for supporting our teachers during this difficult time. It is not easy for teachers to attend a few online sessions and go start taking online classes with our presentations. Teachers need a lot more hand-holding. So we now have mentoring classes going on for teachers where each and every chapter is handled. So our mentors help the teachers break down the chapters into smaller chunks and train them in teaching those concepts using our presentations. In order to do this, the Classroom Content Delivery Planner, the CCDP, was also standardized, and now teachers in all the states are using these planners to map the textbook content to the Vidyavahini content so that they are confident that there are no gaps when they use the Vidyavahini content. This has given them greater confidence in using the content. However, the demand for content started increasing and we needed more and more content authors. So the content training package was also standardized, and now content authors are being trained across subjects. They are helping to expand the content authors team. None of this training would have been possible, Swami, without the amazing tech support team that we have. They are so patient and they are so efficient. They stay in the background silently and make all these online sessions possible. Our gratitude to all the tech support volunteers. Swami, we have no words to thank you for this opportunity to be a drop in your Vahini. We need this Vahini to flow and reach every school, every classroom, and every child, not only in our country, but everywhere in the world. Thank you, Swami.
Dearest Swami, it's a huge privilege to be a trainer and a mentor in Vidyavahini. 2020 came in with lots of challenges, but there were opportunities as well. Classroom content standardization training, classroom delivery training, T3 for trainers, T2 for teachers, all these were conducted virtually, and that brought in many new dedicated and enthusiastic volunteers into Vidyavahini. Why all this? To reach out to the child sitting in a classroom lost in the monotony of textbook-based teaching. Swami, it's your love that propelled and guided us on this path. Mukam karoti vachalam, panghum langhayate girim. Thank you, Bhagwan, for guiding us on this path of love and service. Sai Ram.
Om Sri Sai Ram. In today's world, more than imparting knowledge, it is necessary that a knowledge should carry within itself some values in an interesting manner. I am extremely thankful to the Vidyavahini team for giving us training on how to make learning more useful, valuable, and exciting. I have seen my children enjoying the Vidyavahini class as it makes the classroom more lively. I am happy with the Vidyavahini content and shall continue teaching in this method further. Sai Ram.
Dearest Swami, I have no words to express my intense gratitude to you for all the loving support and hand-holding given to me at each and every step. The trainers during the T3 sessions showed a lot of interest in gaining all their inputs. Their interest was very obvious when they put in all the efforts in rendering. The teachers during the T2 showed eagerness and enthusiasm to understand the methodology and content. The involvement seen in quite a few teachers makes me feel that they are the chosen ones. As a mentor and a trainer, it was very satisfying experience for me since the rendering of Vidyavahini content was accepted by them as enlightening and vivid. Dear Swami, I am very grateful to you for blessing me with this wonderful opportunity.
Om Sri Sai Ram. Sri Satyasai Vidyavahini taught me about insightful, inspiring, enjoyable, and participative classroom, I also learned to teach very effectively using the 7 assets. Sairam.
Sairam, words are not enough to express my feeling for you, my Saima. You are there with me every moment. I have read that you completed the verse for Jayadeva in Geet Govind. This happens to me in every training. You give me the right thought, the right example, and the right connect with the trainees. You had advised Arjuna in Kurukshetra war to dedicate all his activities, mind and intellect, then he will be able to reach you. Please, Saima, help me to reach you and enable me to follow those instructions you gave to Arjuna. Thank you, Sairam.
Shri Sairam. Vidyavahini training is such a wonderful way to improve the quality of teaching. Use of these contents is very much beneficial for the students to understand and remember the concepts easily. For me, this training is made it easier to improve the quality of teaching and enhance my knowledge also. Thank you, Swami.
Swami, how merciful you were, giving me the opportunity to train your teachers and then mentor them to acquire the skill to transact in the classroom using the 7 assets that you had prepared for them. In the process, you taught me that teaching is not merely being a conveyor belt to pass on the bookish information to the students, but to nurture them, to apply the acquired knowledge for a greater good of the society. You too created circumstances to sharpen my technical skill, to transact in a virtual situation, thereby teaching me that learning is a lifelong process. There is no retirement for teachers. Oh Swami, thank you so very much for choosing me as an instrument for your mission. Jai Sai Ram.
Om Shri Sai Ram. On viewing the initial presentations with multimedia content, Swami had said, "Idi pillalni aakarshisthundi," meaning that it would attract the children. This has been the inspiration and motivation behind the multimedia team. Seeking perfection drove constant improvement, yet another directive of our dear Lord, to make better and better visually appealing presentations with the sole goal to make that last row fidgeting child to sit up and take notice and want to learn more.
You don't call the qualified, you qualify the call. This is so true for me, who didn't even know the basics of PPT and could create PPTs of high standards for Vidyavani only because of your grace.
Grateful to you, Swami, for choosing me to be part of your mission of making learning an enjoyable journey. I derive a great feeling of fulfillment while doing the Vidyavani work.
I derive immense satisfaction in contributing towards photo and videography, which can imprint concepts in the brains of the students.
Grateful to you, Swami, for making me part of the SSSVV multimedia team, a dynamic channel to ignite the spark of learning in young minds through visual aids. Team meetings, brainstorming, seeing Swami work his magic in transforming all challenges into solutions.
The teachers are doing an admirable work. I am just a cog in the wheel. With Swami's blessings, I am sure Vidyavahini will reach great heights.
The gallery enrichment was a blessing for me to share the photographs I had taken to be used for Vidyavahini and also to monitor all the photographs being uploaded into the gallery. Swami, I offer all my love for enabling me to be of service in your mission.
Swami, you are the master planner, always keeping us ahead of time. You have guided and inspired us to have multimedia aids for the content, which have become the greatest support to the teachers when they had to teach virtually.
Grateful to Swami and the multimedia team for the rarest opportunity of educational seva to inculcate the future generations with values. Personally, it aided me to come out of my closed shell.
As a legal consultant of the copyright team of Sri Sathya Sai Vidyavahini,
I am delighted to contribute like a squirrel in the construction of Ram Setu, the divine bridge that connects the rural and the urban educational ecosystems.
Grateful to you, Swami, for utilizing my creativity for you, the creator. When we compiled the copyright guidelines, it brought a lot of discipline in me, which is required for today's society.
Thank you, Swami, for giving me an opportunity to work as an MM volunteer. Every day it teaches me something new and drives me to think creatively.
I am very grateful to be part of the MM team. It's a group of dedicated and talented volunteers from whom I get to learn a lot.
Gratitude to you, Swami, for bringing me into the SSSBB multimedia team. Miraculously, you engage me in the projects for which only you know I have some skills or desire to perform.
The journey in Sri Satya Sai Vidya Vahini multimedia team is no less than a miracle. At any confusion, you guide me closer to perfection.
Grateful to you, Swami, for bringing me into the multimedia team during the pandemic to sanctify my time and skills.
I'm always grateful to Bhagwan for allowing me to be part of the learning management system. It has been a humbling experience.
Swami, you grew me personally and professionally in multimedia team from a novice graphic designer to a professional to designing a course to our students to dirty their hands in this skill.
Volunteering in Sri Satya Sai Vidya Vahini is nothing but actionizing the eternal spiritual principle of Nishkama Karma. Thank you, Swami.
I considered joining multimedia team on 11th of June 2020 as the divine call from you. From simple PowerPoint features to working in a team, Vidya Vahini has not only enhanced my technical skills but also soft skills.
Being part of the multimedia team has been a very humbling experience as it has shown me the potential to strive for. Satabodhi salutations to you, Swami, for granting me a dedicated and committed team to work with.
Swami, I am ever grateful to you for the wonderful opportunity given to me in developing the designs for the Vidya Vahini web portal and exhibition.
I am grateful to Swami for everything. I did not have any prior web development experiences. Development of MM app itself is a manifestation of Swami's love and he guided us all throughout.
Grateful to you, Swami, for providing me the opportunity to grow emotionally and mentally strong while contributing and adding value to an exceptional initiative.
With immense gratitude to Swami, I offer this art from the heart at Swami's lotus feet. Thank you, Swami, for making me a part of the multimedia team.
This golden opportunity has been given by Swami. I am trying to serve Swami by using the creative talent given by him. Thank you, Swami.
I am grateful to Swami for making me an eternal learner by inducting me into the MM team of Vidya Vahini.
Bhagwan, thank you for giving me the opportunity to serve you. Being a part of Vidya Vahini has helped me learn new skills and experience the love of Sai family as we work together.
I'm privileged to work with a group of committed volunteers in the MM team. And we are now fortunate to have onboarded a group of volunteers across the globe where we work together as per the prescribed process.
I am so blessed and fortunate to be a part of your divine mission, Sri Satya Sai Vidya Vahini. I always feel your presence throughout while working on multimedia. Swami, thank you so much for your guidance and blessings.
Thank you, Swami, for choosing me for Vidya Vahini. It is a blessed platform for me to be your instrument as an IT volunteer to prepare PPTs for your children. I bow at your lotus feet and I commit to serve more.
Thank you, Swami, for giving me this opportunity. Working as MM volunteer is a blessing. Swami, please guide me like this to reach you through this act of service.
Baba gave me this golden opportunity to work for the MM team by using my creative skills in his mission for education. It has enhanced my technical and interpersonal skills and also keeps me upbeat. Jai Sai Ram.
Brother, be careful. You may fall into the ditch.
In this arena is the Foldscope. Curious to know what it is? Well, it is made with a long sheet of origami paper.
The perfect shape. Oh, friend Camel, don't you think it is better to be small sometimes? Both understood that it was good to be happy as they were.
Offering my heartfelt gratitude and loving pranam at the lotus feet of my beloved Lord and Master. On this wonderful occasion, I stand before you to present an overview of the Phone Your Friend program. Beginning as a tiny trickle and flowing from the mighty Vidya Vahini, the Phone Your Friend program has now begun to gather speed and is gushing forth across the vast expanse of this land and beyond, touching the lives of teachers and helping them improve their English language skills. The 108 lessons offered across 4 levels, namely elementary, basic, intermediate, and advanced, and conducted by highly motivated and efficient volunteers comprising fresh graduates, seasoned professionals, experienced senior citizens, all drawn from various walks of life and eager to offer their time, talent, and energy to mentor 293 teachers in 40 schools across 14 states of this land. Let us listen to Shri Karuna Shankar Pandey, Director Operations of Amazon and based in Bangalore, who mentors a teacher from Sri Satya Sai Vidya Niketan, Bagepalli.
Om Shri Sai Ram. It has been my privilege to be associated with Phone Your Friend program under Mission English of Sri Satya Sai Vidya Vahini. The consistent structure of each lesson helped me effectively deliver each module to my mentee. The lesson contents were so well organized, which kept me always output focused and helped me to work upon improving my mentee in terms of reading, listening, speaking, and writing. I used to prepare for each engagement so that it is run very, very professionally. It is very gratifying for me to see the way my mentee has grown in confidence in conversing with me in English as well as I understand in his school. I wish the Phone Your Friend program a great success, and I always pray to our Swami to give me opportunity to be associated with it forever.
Many of the teachers have completed the basic level and are now into the intermediate level, while a few have successfully completed the intermediate course and are taking the advanced level. Each level has a robust assessment and grading system which helps in assessing the improvement in the English language proficiency of the teachers. Srimati Nalini Prava Swain is an assistant teacher from SSSVM Bhavani Patna in Odisha and is now taking the advanced course.
Om Sri Sai Ram. I have completed my journey of basic and intermediate lessons in less than 10 months. This was possible just because of commitment from both my mentor and me. I am happy to take a step further with advanced lessons. I learned a lot in this complete procedure. For example, my speaking became fluent, my vocabulary enhanced, etc. I particularly enjoyed the science-related topic discussions with my mentor. I feel the time spent is well invested to self-growth. It has helped me my professional life as well by better teaching in class interaction. I recommend my fellow teachers to jump on the bandwagon PYF because enhancement and upgradation is the most important perspective in everyone's life.
The Vahini is now flowing into foreign shores, and the past year has seen the PYF program forge bonds with international teams. A group of volunteers from the Sri Sathya Sai Organization, United Kingdom, are now mentoring teachers from Sathya Sai schools in Ahmedabad and Piplia in Gujarat. Justice Bharat Kumar Sisodia from the United Kingdom tells us of his impressions about the program.
On behalf of the Mentor Volunteers UK team, I'd like to congratulate Vidya Vahini for the exemplary work in the rural areas. And also today, we pay our heartfelt gratitude to Bhagavan Sri Sathya Sai Baba for giving us this golden opportunity to serve him in his divine mission. Playing a part in Phone Your Friend project of Vidya Vahini has brought us a lot of excitement, joy, and a sense of self-satisfaction. Rendering seva from the comfort of our own homes to complete strangers, the mentees, didn't prove too difficult at all. On the contrary, it brought together mentors and mentees, bonding very quickly with each other, establishing mutual respect, mutual trust, and mutual love, resulting in a very speedy learning by the mentee. I feel this is nothing less than a miracle of Baba. Equally impressive are the members of the management team of Vidya Vahini, who work ceaselessly day and night behind the scene to make sure everything goes very smooth for all of us. In particular, the excellent set of manuals they have produced have proved extremely useful to all the mentors and very effective for the mentees' learning.
Closer home, SSSVV has partnered with SSSO of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh and has shared the PYF content so that Sai youth can be trained in English language skills by Samiti volunteers and alumni from Anantapur. As next steps, we will be awarding the Divya Katara Rolling Trophy to the school with the highest percentage of teachers participating in the PYF program. The trophy has been initiated in memory of a young and dynamic PYF volunteer, Ms. Divya Katara, an alumna from the Anantapur campus. Also on the anvil is Sign In, the English app, which has been designed by our in-house Vidya Vahini design team and developed as a CSR initiative by a multinational company. On this wonderful occasion, on behalf of the entire team PYF, I offer my gratitude to our beloved Lord and thank Him from the bottom of my heart that He has chosen us to be His instruments.
Om Shri Sai Ram. On behalf of the Phone Your Friend mobile app team, I offer prayers at the lotus feet of Bhagwan. Given the success of the Sri Sathya Sai Vidya Vahini's Phone Your Friend program, we realized that there was a huge need amongst rural teachers and youth to learn spoken English. To extend Bhagwan's prasadam in the form of the PYF program to more and more people, we placed a prayer before him to help us create a mobile app that would allow a mix of human interactions and automated learning. The mobile app will now enable the PYF mentor to take more learners under them than what they are able to do currently. At the same time, they are able to guide, monitor, and assess the learner's progress for each lesson component. The success of the PYF program can now therefore be extended to more and more Sai youth, Sai school teachers, Balvikas teachers, and others. This app will allow learning good English at their own pace without any cost attached to it. The app is specifically designed for those who speak a vernacular language. The app covers all the 4 learning skills: listen keenly, speak well, read aloud, and write right. The app also supports an assessment for each set of 5 lessons, followed by a final assessment at the conclusion of a course level. To provide all with a glimpse of the app, the read aloud section, both from a learner as well as the mentor perspective, is shown in the video. With Swami's grace, a multinational company's mobile team came forward to help us develop the mobile app, and currently the same is under development and testing. We pray to Bhagwan to bless this initiative with successful completion and an early launch. We are honored to have Sri Kalyana Sundaram, Director of the Deloitte Digital team, guide us on this important project, and I welcome him and his team warmly here on this call. Jai Sai Ram.
Om Sri Sai Ram. Virudhunagar in Tamil Nadu is one of the districts identified by Niti Aayog through its nationwide Aspirational Districts program for focus and improvements in learning outcomes, especially in primary schools. Under the guidance of Niti Aayog, Sri Sathya Sai Vidya Vahini has been working with government schools in Virudhunagar since October 2019. The whole journey began in our very own Prashanthi Nilayam when a team of educational officers from Virudhunagar visited Prashanthi Nilayam for a 3-day workshop to discuss the partnership with Vidya Vahini and to plan ahead. At the end of the workshop, it was concluded that Vidya Vahini program will be implemented in about 90 schools across 11 clusters in Virudhunagar as a pilot, implementing SOPAN, a program to bridge the basic literacy gap, SAMEEP, to inspire learning through arts and crafts, and to implement IAEP notice boards and assembly sessions to create a vibrant IAEP learning experience in corridor and campus in these schools.
The inspirational journey started in October 2019. We were engaging with all the 90 schools. 28 highly specialized teachers from these schools were selected for the master's training program, which was conducted at Mahatma Schools, Madurai. Post this training, within a short duration of 5 months, the Vidya Vahini team was able to achieve 100% training of their primary teachers. The pilot covers 5,000 plus students, out of which 2,700 students were assessed for their current level of learning. The focus areas for improvements were identified.
Since April 2020, schools in Virudhunagar have remained closed due to the prevailing pandemic situation, like schools anywhere else. But the learning has not stopped. Thankfully, the learning has continued uninterrupted over the last several months through several virtual learning engagements. Teachers across the 11 clusters in Virudhunagar have very enthusiastically participated in all the virtual learning engagements that have been organized and conducted in the last several months. On an average, about 70 to 90 teachers participate every day in learning activities through WhatsApp, and teachers also participate in learning huddles conducted over Google Meet in the weekends. And overall, this has been a very, very positive learning experience.
Any program success is measured by the feedback received. We did conduct an online survey, which was anonymous and through Google Forms. We received more than 120 responses. More than 93% of the teachers said that the learning was very useful, interesting to them, and they would like to take to the students. Also, additionally, they quoted the program was very insightful to them, makes them think and explore on new ideas. Overall, it has been a very enriching and rewarding experience for them. Our deepest gratitude to Swami.
Thank you, Swami.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். விருதுநகர் மாவட்ட சிஇஓ பேசுகிறேன். நிதி ஆயோக் மூலமாக கடந்த செப்டம்பர் மாதம் 2019 முதல் ஸ்ரீ சத்யசாய் வித்யா வாகினியுடைய அறிமுகம் எங்களுக்கு கிடைத்தது. மிக குறுகிய காலத்தில், அதாவது 5 மாதத்திற்கு உள்ளாகவே விருதுநகர் பிளாக்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய 92 பிரைமரி ஸ்கூலில் உள்ள 224 டீச்சர்ஸ்க்கு கற்றலை மேம்படுத்தும் விதமாக சோபான் ட்ரைனிங் அளிக்கப்பட்டது. அதைத் தொடர்ந்து 45 பிரைமரி ஸ்கூலில் உள்ள அரௌண்ட் 2700 மாணவர்கள் பேஸ் லைன் அசஸ்மெண்ட் அப்படிங்கிற சர்வேக்கு உட்படுத்தப்பட்டு அவருடைய நிலை கண்டறியப்பட்டது. மேலும் தொடர்ந்து இந்த கொரோனா காலத்திலும் இந்த பயிற்சிகள் விடுபடாமல் நடக்க கூகுள் மூலமாக தொடர்ந்து ஆசிரியர்களுக்கு பயிற்சி அளிப்பதோடு மட்டுமல்லாமல் நிறைய ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் மூலமாகவும் இன்றளவும் அவர்களுக்கு தொடர்ந்து பயிற்சி வழங்கப்பட்டு வருகிறது. இந்த நல்ல வாய்ப்பை எங்களது விருதுநகர் மாவட்டத்துக்கு ஏற்படுத்தி கொடுத்த நமது விருதுநகர் மாவட்ட ஆட்சியர் அவர்களுக்கும் எங்களோடு இணைந்து கல்வி பணியில் கற்றலை மேம்பாடு அடைய செய்து கொண்டிருக்கக்கூடிய ஸ்ரீ சத்யசாய் வித்யாவாகினுடைய மதிப்பிற்கும் மரியாதைக்கும் உரிய இயக்குனர் திருமதி கருணா முன்ஷி மேடம் அவர்களுக்கும் அவர்களோடு இணைந்து இன்றளவும் எங்களோடு இணைந்து பணியாற்றி கொண்டிருக்கக்கூடிய அனைத்து வகையான ரிசோர்ஸ் பர்சன் அவர்களுக்கும் இந்த நேரத்தில் விருதுநகர் மாவட்ட பள்ளிக்கல்வித்துறையின் சார்பாக எங்களுடைய நன்றிகளை நாங்கள் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறோம். மேலும் இந்த நல்ல வாய்ப்பை ஏற்படுத்தி கொடுத்த அனைவருக்கும் எங்களுடைய நன்றியை உரித்தாக்குகிறோம். தேங்க்யூ.
Om Shri Sai Ram. When we think of the infinite blessings that Bhagwan Baba has been showering upon his Vidyavahini, we are reminded of Aristotle's words that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. While working remotely from our individual locations, Vidyavahini volunteers scattered around the globe have little idea of the collective impact of each person's hard work. The Niti Aayog experience and the National Education Policy 2020 gave us clarity about the nation's readiness for values-based learning. In May of 2020, a tweet about the Prime Minister of India's eVidya initiative caught our attention, and our enquiries led to a request from the Ministry of Education in New Delhi asking for a few samples of Vidyavahini lesson plans. The expert team of content reviewers at the NCERT were provided with an assortment of Vidyavahini content samples, as well as access to the entire repository of nearly 9,000 freshly created digital learning assets available on the portal srisatyasayividyavahini.org. After careful scrutiny, the NCERT experts recommended Sri Satyasai Vidyavahini content be shared with the nation's teachers via the Vidyadan initiative of the Diksha portal of the Government of India. With the blessings of Bhagwan, an MOU has been signed between the NCERT CIT and the Sri Satyasai Central Trust, and on October 20th, 2020, the Sri Satyasai Vidyavahini program was officially onboarded as a contributor on the Diksha platform. Even as the fine details on file format compatibilities are being resolved, the process of content migration has begun, and our content team members with technical abilities are all geared up to offer Bhagwan's prasadam to the nation's teachers. With Bhagwan's grace, very soon, every teacher in the country will be empowered to deliver pedagogically sound, age-appropriate lessons enriched with colorful and animated multimedia, integrated with activity-based learning, and most importantly, human values. By taking his Vidyavahini to a national platform, Bhagwan's vision of integral education for all will take a giant leap towards turning into a reality. All Vidyavahini content will be copyrighted to the Sri Satyasai Central Trust across the Diksha portal, and it will be available freely to teachers from any part of the country, from any school in the country, without any restrictions. For giving us an opportunity to participate in the nation's educational reform, and especially so from within the system, every member of the Sri Satyasai Vidyavahini family offers our undying gratitude at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Sri Satyasai Baba. Today, we pledge to work harder with deeper love and sincerity, with greater unity and harmony, so that we may be instrumental in spreading His love to lakhs of teachers and through them to millions of students by sharing the unique Sai education freely across the length and breadth of Bharat. Thank you, Bhagwan, for making this happen, and thank you for including us in your sacred work. Jai Sai Ram.
Till March 2020, the typical story of Sri Sathya Sai Vidya Vahini went something like this.
हेलो, कौन बोलता है?
Sairam Principal Madam, how are you? This is Aditya from Sri Sathya Sai Vidya Vahini. I'm your school relationship coordinator.
Aditya?
Madam, I'm from Vidya Vahini at Prashanti Nilayam. Remember, Madam, I had come to your school and trained your teachers. We even set up a laptop and a projector in one of the classes.
Oh, yes. Now I remember. That computer was very helpful. I'm learning how to send emails and how to browse the internet. Sir, can you send one more laptop for my vice principal too? And I need a favor from you. Can you build a computer lab for our school? We are losing students to the international schools nearby.
Madam, but you know, Bhagwan has asked us to empower teachers with this prasadam in the form of ready-made content, training and teaching aids.
No, sir. My teachers don't want to take any extra work. They have their own teaching methodology. Right now, we are busy with exams. So can we talk later? Thank you. Sairam.
In March 2020, the world was under attack from a deadly virus, COVID-19. All schools were shut. Within a month, everything had changed.
नोवल कोरोना वायरस व्याप्तिनी
तुम हो
Hello.
Hello Aditya sir. Sairam. I am the principal of the Sri Sathya Sai School of Lok Pradesh. Do you remember me?
Sairam madam. Yes, of course I remember.
Look Aditya, our school is facing lots of problems because of the COVID lockdown. Children are not coming to school, parents are not willing to pay their fees, and my teachers are not taking classes but they are expecting their salaries. And on top of this, other schools have started taking online classes. And you know something, even our own Sathya Sai schools in the neighboring districts are taking classes, and that too in English. I don't understand how they are doing it. Can you give me some information about it, please?
Yes, madam. That school has implemented Vidya Vahini for over a year now. Teachers there know how to use our online content. They also speak good English because they got trained in our spoken English program called Phone Your Friend.
Oh, is that so? Can Vidya Vahini do the same thing for my school too?
Madam, why fear when Swami is here? This Vidya Vahini is just the perfect rescue package for the current situation. All our assets are discharged and given freely to all sides.
What? Central Trust is giving assets to all the Vidya Vahini schools? But how much do they charge for this?
Madam, the Central Trust is giving more than rupees and paise. These are all learning assets. Through his Vidya Vahini, Bhagwan will empower your teachers with world-class lesson plans. All the content comes integrated with values. We also provide professional training and teaching aids, Sairam. This Vidya Dhanam is Bhagwan's Prasadam. It is served without any charge to your school. And since it's online, we can teach them via the internet.
But can you teach my teachers how to make PPTs?
Of course, madam. We can teach them and also show them how to use thousands of presentations that are readily available for every chapter in the syllabus.
Good, very good. And what are these teaching aids?
Madam, every year we send learning modules to match the subjects like math, science, social and English lesson plans in your syllabus. Last year, in fact, no one collected your parcel from the courier office if I remember right.
You have a good memory for a young man. Let's forget the past and start afresh. So when can Vidyavahini start the training for my teachers?
Om Shri Sai Ram. As administrators, the IIEP by 4C module comes as an effective tool in designing and introducing a lot of activities in the curriculum. Ours being a model school, our teachers were involved in content creation for social studies and maths, and this paved way for them to upgrade their skills, work as a team and offer the best. Our children really look forward to the everyday assembly programs and the club activities. Our parents are so satisfied because their children have access to high quality value-based education.
The program has helped the rural students to widen their horizons through insightful and noble ideas, and learning has become enjoyable. For the teachers, it has provided high quality content in the form of lesson plans and PowerPoint presentations for delivery in the classrooms. This approach has immensely helped the rural students to gain self-confidence and mastery in the subjects and unleash their hidden potential. It has helped to close the digital divide among the rural students. The program has changed the entire landscape of the school campus, corridor and classroom into a vibrant environment.
Vidyavahini is more effective to the children because the teachers share their knowledge to the students and get the best out of them.
Sri Satya Sai Vidyavahini program is a precious gift to the education. Teachers can share their idea with the other teachers. It engages the students in learning and also it inspires for them a love of learning. CCDP, Classroom Content Delivery Planner, has brought a lot of desirable changes among our teachers. Really, we are very much happy to adopt Sri Satya Sai Vidyavahini program in our school. Not only it saved the classroom teaching, but also it modified the assembly class, art and craft skill of our students and English speaking of our teachers through PYF program.
In my view, these online sessions furnished to assimilate new practices to refine the skills and knowledge of the teachers. Their transition in using technology is seamless. We felt as we were working in a corporate company. We have been receiving delight deliverables and are using very effectively on Saturday during no bad day. No child gets absent on that day. Moreover, they bug their class teacher by inquiring about next activities. CCTP Planner is very useful in understanding MLPs and PPTs. It enables the teacher to correlate with the textbook by stipulating a perfect collaboration of all the three.
Vidyavahini enables the teachers to connect the syllabus with the values which Swami has guided us to impart to the students in a very large way. It has emboldened the teachers in teaching very boldly with a lot of confidence. The change the teachers feel in teaching is because of Vidyavahini. It helps the students in connecting whatever they learn to the values which will help the students in a long way in their lives.
Teaching through Sri Satya Sai Vidyavahini is a wonderful way to gain attention from our students. Visualization is the main part of education. Sri Satya Sai Vidyavahini team is doing it very well, and PPT is a fabulous tool to us. It makes teaching easier and much more innovative. It motivates the students more as the curriculum is combined with human values and taught via animations, pictures, and multimedia technologies.
Vidyavahini content simplify the subject matter from difficult to easy way. So while we are teaching the lessons to our children using these PPTs, really it is easy to explain the subject matter and also our children understanding easily this subject matter.
Training enabled us to use PPTs very efficiently and also to deliver content authoritatively.
In 2016, we got a notification from Sri Sathya Sai Vidyavahini about a courier from Deloitte. In the courier, we got many teaching aids, models, charts that Deloitte has sent us. We used all those teaching aids for teaching purposes, and now teaching has become more exciting, easier, and convenient.
All the teaching aids which has been sent from Deloitte through Vidyavahini, we are using them in our classes as well as in different exhibitions.
These teaching aids are very much helpful because these teaching aids are according to our syllabus.
Deloitte teaching aids are matched to the topics in our syllabus and come with clear instructions for use.
Sometimes we challenge them to take the model apart, explain its workings and assemble it back together. This gives them a lot of clarity in understanding how things work. Each concept in science suddenly comes alive.
With the help of this material, our school children are enjoying the process of learning more and more.
Also, the materials that are provided are not only useful for our students, but they are very useful for us as it makes teaching learning process very easy.
Students are getting more realistic knowledge whenever the teachers are explaining with the help of the teaching aids in front of the students.
क्योंकि बच्चे और टीचर जो हमारे होते थे उसके प्रति काफी उत्सुक रहते थे कि इस साल हर सिलेबस के साथ या हर एक सब्जेक्ट के साथ कौन कौन सा ऐसा मटेरियल है जो अटैच होगा और हम उसे किस नए तरीके से पढ़ा सकते हैं.
The students can see, touch and feel what they are learning as right knowledge. The boring classrooms becomes an exciting learning space with these aids. Thank you.
2016 से हमें कोरियर के थ्रू जो मटेरियल प्रोवाइड करवा रहे हैं जैसे मॉडल्स, चार्ट आदि, इससे हमें काफी फायदा हुआ है. साथ में जब भी वो बॉक्सेस हमारे पास स्कूल में पहुंचते हैं तो टीचर्स और बच्चे एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं कि इन बॉक्सेस में इस बार नई चीज हमें क्या सीखने को मिलेगी. मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आप हर साल की तरह हमें इस मटेरियल को प्रोवाइड करवाते रहें ताकि हमारे टीचर्स और बच्चों की स्किल्स इंप्रूव होती रहे.
In the year 2019, I visited over 30 rural schools in 8 states of India and saw firsthand the impact of Deloitte teaching aids on the lives of students and teachers in these schools. Everywhere there was a recurring theme of 1 or 2 children in every class who were most distracted and disruptive. And these children all of a sudden found their calling by working on these teaching aids. So the child who was frequently sent on detention to go to the principal's office found herself or himself putting together a solar kit or making the generator kit work, and suddenly this child becomes the champion in the class. The peers are praising, the teacher is full of appreciation for this child, and this child's self-confidence starts to soar. This child is the typical perfect candidate who would fall through the cracks in our education system, which is geared only largely for auditory and visual learners. The kinesthetic component that Deloitte teaching aids bring into the classroom has saved many children from actually leaving school. And this sudden interest in technology and science that the Deloitte teaching aids have brought to rural schools has led to 4 of our schools qualifying for the Atal Tinkering Lab, which is a generous grant from the Government of India to set up a lab in a rural school. Teachers are enjoying the deeper sense of engagement from their children, and everybody is looking forward to coming to school. The goodwill that Deloitte Impact Day generates really gives an opportunity to the child who otherwise had no shot in life to advance in his or her education. For the team at Deloitte, I know it takes weeks and weeks of planning and one big day, the Deloitte Impact Day, where everything is put together and couriered to these schools. But the ripple effect of this on the lives of those children who would otherwise have never ever experienced the joy of learning with such high quality learning materials is very hard to describe and hard to measure.
Om Shri Sai Ram. Bhagwan's grace on the Vidyavahini team continued to flow in the year 2019-20 as well. One of the most fruitful year despite all the uncertainties surrounding us due to the COVID pandemic. Here is a quick overview of what happened in 2019-20. Content domain. We have delivered 100% of the content that is required for CBSE for the subjects EVS, mathematics and science. Social studies, which we started a little later, we have completed 70%, and content for 5 more boards are underway. Bhagavan said that love my uncertainty, right? This is true definitely in the training domain. While we were revamping the entire train the trainer teacher training content, the entire module we were revamping and preparing ourselves to deliver training in the month of May, June time frame, COVID happened. But since we already got the content ready, and since our trainers, most of them were trained on using Google Meet and various other virtual meeting tools, we went ahead and we could connect with every single teacher in our Sai schools across 5-6 states. Okay, we managed to complete the first term portions for AP, Gujarat, Karnataka, Odisha, Tamil Nadu and the northeastern states. Again, another success story is SOPAN, the Basic Literacy and Bridge Program, which is rolled out in a cluster of Virudhunagar district in Tamil Nadu under the aegis of Niti Aayog. Okay. 200 teachers from 90 schools are trained. They are engaged on a consistent basis, even on a daily basis. 6 days a week they are engaged. This again has shown a lot of improvement. As you all know, recently we signed up with NCERT for providing our content on the government's portal, which is Diksha. We have already started the work, and we have one sample content, production content available on the portal as of now. Very soon you will see the entire CBSE content what we have available on the Diksha portal. Last but not the least, again, despite the COVID situation, our volunteers, our Phone Your Friend volunteers marched on. 300 of them, got in touch with 300 teachers across 14 states and 40 schools, talking to them twice or thrice a week, improving their English language skills. So this is a quick overview. Thank you.
My prayerful salutations at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Baba. I'm happy to say a few words on the occasion of our celebrating a decade of service under the auspices of Sri Satya Sai Vidyavahini program, which was so generously blessed by Swami 10 years back. We have come a long way in these 10 years, but more especially in the last 2 years, there have been good strides that the whole team has made in regard to making very meaningful contribution to the growth of teaching, learning process in the schools. We had originally thought that we would take under our aegis schools which bear the name of Sri Satya Sai, although these are not schools which had been managed by the management of Sri Satya Sai institutions. These are schools set up by devotees of Bhagwan with the good intention of providing good education to the students in the rural areas. But due to a lot of constraints, they have not been able to perform to the expected levels of efficiency. It is then that the Vidyavahini program undertook an analysis of the strengths and weaknesses of these schools and then started a program of providing them good material for the teachers which can be used as teaching material. Although the program had taken up the syllabus of various state boards and also the central board, the concentration was mostly in regard to the central board. Then, of course, a phase came when the mapping of these state boards with reference to the central board was done. Today, the lesson plans of all the subjects for the classes 1 to 8 have been completed and are made available to the schools for the teachers to improve their teaching ability. The 9th and 10th class material is being done, attended to by teachers. I would like to express my deep sense of thanks to the volunteer group which has grown considerably in the last 2 to 3 years. From about 65 to 70, it has now grown up to a very considerable figure of about 900 and it is likely to touch 1,000 in the near future. To all those volunteers, we owe a deep debt of gratitude because they have taken this subject of participating in this program with a zeal which is hard to come by. Many of these volunteers are alumni of Sri Satya Sai Institute of Higher Learning, Anantapur campus, to whom I should express my grateful thanks. The second group of people who really require or who really deserve our compliments are teachers who are participating in the Bal Vikas program in the country. They also have been substantially contributing to the teaching material. And there is finally a third class of volunteers who are spread all over the world. These are volunteers from overseas, particularly from the United States and the Middle East. They have also contributed in no small measure to the growth of availability of reading of teaching material. To all of them, on behalf of Sri Satya Sai Vidyavahini, I express my deep sense of thanks. All this have been possible for them also because they have taken it as their dedication to Swami. The way in which they have participated has been defined by their deep sense of gratitude to Bhagwan, to whom they feel they owe their lives. First as students and later as teachers, and perhaps also now that they're in different walks of life. But irrespective of their background, they've all come together and given their best in terms of teaching material. I do not know whether there is any other organization in the country which has dedicated itself to providing teaching material of this quality. Possibly yes, but I'm not aware of it. The second part of it in which Vidyavahini program had associated itself is provision of not only teaching material but also considerable help is in regard to certain aspirational districts which have been taken up by the Government of India as a part of improving the teaching quality in government schools. A special reference needs to be made in this context to the district of Virudhunagar in Tamil Nadu, in which about nearly 100 schools are participating. This has called for very consistent efforts on the part of Vidyavahini program through the volunteer force. This aspirational district of Virudhunagar, I am glad to say, is effectively participating, and I hope the organization like Niti Aayog will find considerable satisfaction that this program is taking roots thanks to the very sincere participation by the volunteer group of Sri Sathya Sai Vidyavahini program. We have to do a lot more work in regard to the 9th and 10th class. The progress is on. It'll take some time. But more important is the way in which not only the subjects are taught as they taught to, but also infusing them with a sense of human values. This is a more difficult part because this is likely to be not taken serious note of by the professional teachers. Most of them will be content with teaching science or social studies or language the way in which it is normally practiced. But to infuse them with a sense of values is even more difficult, and it requires a certain temperament, a certain training for the teachers to do so. And I'm glad to say that those who have been put through the system of Sri Sathya Sai Value Education have done a commendable job of not only absorbing the values in their lives, but also trying to transmit those values to the children at their early ages. I shall look forward to their continued participation in the years to come, and I'm sure, with the grace of Bhagwan, possibly this program will be recognized by various organizations, including the governments in the country as a whole. The last part of it, which I thought I must also make mention, is the Diksha program, which has been initiated by the Government of India. The idea being that first-class teaching material must be available on any portal for teachers in any part of India. And I think in this direction, I'm told that the professional organization like NCERT had asked Vidyavahini program to submit lesson plans. And I'm glad to say that all the plans which have been sent have all been accepted and commended by the NCERT. I'm sure that this is the beginning of a great enterprise which the Vidyavahini program, Sri Sathya Sai Vidyavahini program, will be engaged in the years to come. Let us once again, express our deep sense of gratitude to Bhagwan Baba. And I wish you all the participants in the office here, the volunteer corps elsewhere, all of them, great success in the future endeavors. Thank you very much. Sai Ram.
Om Shri Sai Ram. I'm extremely happy to be a part of this Gratitude Day for the Sri Sathya Sai Vidyavahini team. I was very impressed with the presentation which I just saw, and the amount of hard work that the volunteers have put in is indeed creditable. Sri Sathya Sai Vidya Vahini is a very important aspect of the legacy of human values that Bhagwan Sri Sathya Sai Baba has left behind for mankind. And the benefit of this must reach the small children in the far-off villages of India. The schools there need the kind of work and the assets that are being created by the Sri Sathya Sai Vidya Vahini team. I am deeply impressed with the holistic view that the Sri Sathya Sai Vidya Vahini team has taken about schools and school learning, energizing the students, the teachers, and creating a great environment is a great blessing for the teachers on ground. It motivates the children to come back to school, and which is a great thing, because education, and especially educare, as Bhagwan has mentioned, is so important for the formative years of these children. I think all efforts in every section, every department of the Vidya Vahini team is a great benefit to India as a nation. I'm indeed happy that the government has taken notice of the hard work of the Sri Sathya Sai Vidya Vahini team, and I pray to Bhagwan to grant them all blessings and all effort, and I congratulate every member of the team for the wonderful work that they've done. I wish all of you the very best, and may Bhagwan bless you with immense grace and strength to continue to do this great work. Jai Sai Ram.
Om Shri Sai Ram. Sri Sathya Sai Vidya Vahini has completed 10 years. Especially in last 3 years, the Vidya Vahini team has been taking a huge strides, doing a wonderful work. The pinnacle of entire work is that we have now signed an MOU with NCERT. We have been invited to be part of a national educational platform called Diksha. I'm so happy that Sri Sathya Sai Vidya Vahini content has been accepted after layers of verification and checkings. They found it very, very valuable. So the team in Delhi are really happy to have Vidya Vahini and the Diksha portal. It's a proud moment for all of us. On behalf of Sri Sathya Sai Central Trust and the fraternity of devotees, Sai devotees across the globe, I congratulate Srimati Karuna Munshi ji and the entire Vidya Vahini team for this wonderful work. There are many people who are really dedicatedly working and giving their best for education and the future of our children. Srimati Sri Vidya is one of them. Right from the beginning, she has been part of this Vidya Vahini. I'm personally very happy that in last 8 months, the Vidya Vahini volunteers have really put in a tremendous hard work and created so many streams going in Vidya Vahini. Also, Vidya Vahini team had taken up training of the teachers in 2 districts under Niti Aayog. They have successfully completed those training programs. The feedback has been wonderful. Then they have now also having a mobile phone app. I think all this is happening on a volunteerism. That is what really makes us very, very happy and proud. Keep this good work going. Swami will be very pleased and Swami will be very proud of you. And wish you all the very best for all the future endeavors. And Sri Sathya Sai Central Trust will always stand shoulder to shoulder with you. We will be part of this, all your efforts, and we will be definitely walking hand in hand with you. Jai Sai Ram.
स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्तजना संरक्षक भक्तजना संरक्षक भक्ति महेश्वर ओम जय जगदीश हरे शिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपति स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपति आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका अवतारव ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैव पर्यन्तयुनीवे स्वामी पर्यन्तयुनीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्राशरण ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप शिव साई महादेव सत्य साई महादेव मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु